Hello friends, welcome to Pridna's Star Kitchen. If you like my recipe, subscribe my channel, ring the bell button, like, comment and share my recipes. Thank you. Today we'll see how to make Khajur dry fruit choco pie using Marie biscuit. It's a healthy and quick recipe. Kids and elders both would love to eat it. So let's take a look at the ingredients. Here I have taken one small ball of almonds, little of pista and one small ball of cashews. 200 grams of black seedless khajur and 1 packet of Marie biscuit. In a mixer grinder, we'll grind all the dry fruits, cashew, almond and pista. Ensure you don't make a fine powder of it. In a kadai, take 2 tablespoons of ghee. Here I am using the homemade ghee. To this, we'll add the khajur. You need to smash the khajur well till it becomes soft. Keep the flame low all the time. You can see the khajur has started becoming soft. You can use the smasher to smash it. As we need to make a fine dough of this khajur, add the dry fruits that we have grinded earlier and mix everything properly. You can see the khajur and the dry fruit has got mixed very nicely and a fine dough is ready. We'll switch off the flame and we'll allow this to cool down. We'll remove this dough on a mat. I've greased my fingers with ghee and will knead it for 1 or 2 minutes. You can see the dough has become soft. Now roll it. Take a small portion of the dough, roll it and press it between the palms. With the help of the fingers, just make a round circle, thin round circle, like this, like a puri shape. Same way we'll make the rest of the circles. To make one choco pie, we would require 3 such circles of khajur dough. Take a khajur circle we just prepared, place a Marie biscuit on it and cover it with another circle and place the second Marie biscuit and cover it with the third layer of khajur circle. Ensure you cover all the edges properly. Now roll it between the palms to get smooth surface on all the sides. Like this. This looks so nice. Same way we'll make the rest of the choco pies. Kids generally don't like to eat khajur. This way you'll be able to make them eat the khajur and dry fruits all together. This winter season, try to make this khajur choco pie to boost your immunity. In this quantity, you will be able to make 7 such choco pie. We'll plate them. This looks so nice and it will taste yummy. We'll cover few choco pie with chocolate coating. For that, I have taken 1 slab of chocolate. I've melted it in microwave. Now we'll dip the khajur choco pie in it and coat it properly. I've greased this plate with some ghee and now we'll freeze this in a refrigerator for 10 minutes. 10 minutes are done and our chocolate choco pie are ready to serve. They look so nice and chocolatey. I'll cut and I'll show you how it looks from inside. This choco pie is looking exactly like the one we get it in market, and this one is a healthier option. Today we have seen how to make chocolate coated choco pie and the normal choco pie. Do give it a try and enjoy!